I used narrator to bring you this presentation in a more professional format so I do not say unnecessary words or stutter. I made this video for anyone looking for an artistic idea with writing as far as text layout is concerned. I did not dot my I's because the letter L can be stroked longer than the letter I, so that stupid dot does not need to really be above the letter I. To prevent the human eye from becoming overwhelmed with much punctuation, I use space to take the place of much punctuation like commas, periods, etc. etc. I found that if I push space bar 3 times, I achieve proper spacing between where a comma or period should be in regular writing, and it also makes these transitions stand out. When starting new sentences, I bold the first letter of first word. As you will see, no capital letters are used because bold letters identify new sentences. Bold letters are also used when identifying proper names and other important terms you may prefer to emphasize. Using bold letters is also a good idea for quotation marks or when identifying when someone is talking. I also will show you how to use tracing paper and a light lamp so that your writing appears on plain paper but each line of writing is straight and not crooked. Space allows us to write more by writing less. This is what I did before to achieve straight line writing on plain paper. For a while, the tracing lamp was helpful but not portable. I could slide a regular sheet of lined notebook paper under plain paper and the light illuminated the lines as a guide while I wrote on top of plain paper. The lamp is good for tasks like addressing envelopes nicely but not effective for longer documents which you may not always have the time to compose at home. Then I discovered tracing paper was more portable. I could take it anywhere and I could write on top of tracing paper while I followed the lines from regular notebook paper underneath. Later, I came up with neat idea of drawing a line between the empty space, halfway between every 2 lines on the notebook paper to sneak in more lines of writing. This also works great for uniform writing because you can use the lines as guides to make letters even, as I have shown you. The more lines you draw, the smaller letters become. When this happens, it is a good idea to write on every other line so lines of writing do not appear to crowd into each other. Now, you can take the tracing paper and scan what you wrote into your computer or make a printer copy on regular 8.5 by 11-inch white plain paper. Voila! Now you have an elegant work of art. The plain white paper just gives you a stronger and durable document copy because tracing paper tears too easily. Another neat idea is using a colored paper to bring out your writing more. Dark aqua blue paper is my favorite. Finally, you can make your own font online. Just make sure you do not dot the I. Make the question mark without the dot and the exclamation mark with the dot. A great place to make your unique font is fontstruct.com. As you see, I designed my font without fancy strokes, curves, or bases. It is a straight and plain font. But that is just me. All letters I designed so they uniformly line up with one another, and as you see, it came out just the way I wanted it to look. Once you create your font at fontstruct.com, you can save it to your computer so you can then install the font into your word processing program. Now, you can create your unique journal, print it out, and save it in your computer as well as in your hard copy files. The advantage of using the computer is the neatness and order of your document because regular pen, pencil, or other penmanship tools just do not come close to the professionalism achieved by a computer. All lines, strokes, and letters are evenly spaced. Plus, the bold feature is unbeatable. Thanks for letting me share this video with you. It has definitely been a journey just coming up with a solution to this obsessive compulsive writing annoyance that I used to laugh, not anymore. Another reason why I used Windows Narrator is because it is impossible to talk into the webcam microphone without hearing the annoying loud door slams from my other housemates. This results in unwanted background sounds and annoying noise in the video. Plus, I cannot afford to go into a soundproof studio which charges you by the hour for usage. I do not have that kind of money to spend frivolously just to make a quality homemade video. Maybe one day, I will be able to afford my own soundproof home, but not right now. Till then, I will have to keep using Windows Narrator. Finally, enjoy the recorded instrumentals from the Gothic band Sisters of Mercy. Samples are from the albums First and Last and Always, Vision Thing, and Some Girls Wander by Mistake. If you are not able to hear the music, it is probably because YouTube is being pathetically paranoid with its usage rights, and if that is the case, YouTube can fuck itself and I will have to find another video sharing site that is not so restrictive. This is not internet yet, for fuck's sake. Capitalism can sometimes suck. You motherfuckers.